Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be showing the finished product of the lights. I haven't put on the chrome pieces on the mirror. I was trying to paint the covers, but the paint that I had didn't work the way that I expected it to. So I have to start all over on that when I have some free time. As of right now, I don't have any free time. So I'm just going to start with the hazard lights. This was a request by one of the viewers, and so like I said, if you guys see anything or you guys want to comment or ask any questions, you can leave it on any video actually, and I read most of the comments. Pretty much I read all the comments, I should say, and if it's something that I can help you with, then I'm more than willing to help you. So anyways, get started. Start with the hazard lights, and I'll go cycle through the left and right turn signal so you can see the sequential. I tried making the video yesterday, and the video it doesn't really show that it's making that sequential light from the side markers, but it is, I guess maybe because it's LED, so, or either that or my camera doesn't pick up the signal as fast as the lights are flashing, so it seems like it's just flashing as one bright light, but in reality it's actually doing the sequential turn. So anyways, we'll get started. So right now that's the hazard light. So I'll start from the back. I'm gonna work my way around. So that is the back. That's as far as I can go. The side is there. You can see the side is there. I'm gonna go from the front. So you see that it doesn't really show that it's sequentially. So that's from the front there. Okay. Okay, so that's the hazard light. I'm gonna turn on the turn signal left. So there's no hyper flash or anything like that, so you can see there's no hyper flash. I'll turn on the light too so you guys can see with the headlight on. So that's the side there. Okay, once again, hazard lights on. So hazard light. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the end of the video. So I'm not sure what happened. My camera just stopped for whatever reason. I'm gonna have to edit that part. Hopefully it's not gonna be too bad. But anyway, so you could see quickly that that's what the lights look like. Everything is working fine, no hyper flash at all. And like I said, if you guys have any questions on how to install the lights, go ahead and just leave a comment. I can always help you guys out. And like I said, if you guys have any questions on anything that you see, feel free to send a message on any of my videos. I read most of my messages, like I said. And yeah, I mean, go ahead and try and challenge it. It's really not that difficult at all. It does fight with you. I don't really like dealing with plastic parts. A lot of times they break. A lot of times they're very stiff or whatever, but yeah, it's a bit scary, but I mean, with just a little bit of confidence in your abilities, you should be fine. So that's it for this video. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.